It's Gagasi FM, the sound of KZN. Igama lami nguNkuli Mbatha, and having it being October and it being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, it's actually a very important time to educate, to empower, and to also inspire. Namhlanje, we're truly honored to be speaking to Star, who's going to let us into her journey, and also we're going to talk about the importance of early detection as well as the power of hope. Star, thank you so much for speaking to us. Sawubona. I'm fantastic, thank you. How are you? Maybe let's start eqaleni, Star. When you got your diagnosis, talk to me about some of the emotions that you felt and what was going on through your head.
Okay, on the day I got my diagnosis, I was with a group of people.
Yeah.
So like I couldn't like feel sad or anything. Because when I processed the information because I did not know what cancer was.
Okay.
I did not know what extent cancer life threatening. So I did not know anything about it, and I think that helped me because sometimes I think that helped me in winning the battle, because sometimes like to get over the mountain. Mountain just start climbing. Yeah, well, because if I knew or anything like that, but discouraged and not win the battle. Because even because I don't know what is this. Yeah, well, I was just happy with the solution, because the doctor was like, and the doctor said, I'm like, okay, at least there's a solution. You have 6 months to live. So because I did not know. Ignorance at that time.
Ignorance is bliss, they say.
Yes.
Oh, but talk to me before utoli diagnosis. Did you have any symptoms, or were there any feelings, or okay, let me go to the doctor and check? But also for someone who is feeling some type of way in terms of some symptoms of sorts, how important is it to go and see a doctor right away?
Some type of way iyona ethi hambe kadokotela. So with me, ngezwa ilamp on my left breast.
Okay.
I felt the lamp, but I was like, yabona into okuziba into ungayizibi into ngila ngikhona ngenxa ukuthi ngayiziba like until kwaze kwaba late kakhulu.
Okay.
Had I went to the doctor when I still felt the lamp, ngabe mhlambe treatment yam did not extend to like that extent. So ngezwa ilamp on my breast ngayiziba for like a month, 2 months, guys. Ngithi ayizohamba, like angangafuni ukukhola ukuthi ngabe into serious le ngithi hayi ngingatshela umuntu futhi, of which that's wrong. And izinto fanele usho nje ukuthi ayibona ku ngizinto ekanje, because the moment I told my aunt ukuthi ngizwe lamp, because ngavuka ekseni my left breast likhulu more than my right breast, like after 2 months of having felt the lamp.
Yeah. So
ngashutela mama ngathi wathi ngisacela uhambe emergency room. So kwasiza lapho to talk about it. Ungayifihli into ungayifihli into ukuthi just mhlambe angazi utheleliwe or don't hide ama symptoms akho. Khuluma nomuntu about it, ubone ukuthi abanye abantu bathini, and go to the doctor. So I went to the emergency room, bangi check again, and then I went for extensive testing. Bathi ukube ngeza kusayilamp lingakakhukhumali.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have done no chemo nani. Yeah. So back to the point ukuthi early detection is very important. Mosazizo ukuthi ngathi konke of shona khona hamba nje yakadokotela to save yourself.
I hear you. Star, you bravely chose a mastectomy. Talk to me about the process of the mastectomy, and maybe for somebody who is not privy to knowing ukuthi yini mastectomy, can you please maybe explain kancane ukuthi yini, and how did your life change after the mastectomy?
Okay, mastectomy is when they remove breast, the whole breast.
Yeah.
But abanye benzi double mastectomy where they remove 2 breasts ngesikhathi slot. Abanye is just one, like me. Mina kodwa ngangithi abaveba ususe bobabili, because ngangithi angivenge be flat chested. The doctor was like, no, there's nothing wrong with the other breast. Into engekho necessary they don't do. So I had to remove the one breast. Now khona futhi ngize ngifika kwi-mastectomy is because ngayiyekelela like ngayiyekelela ilampu yaze yabankulu kakhulu kwathiwa had I went to the doctor kusayilampu encane they were just gonna remove the lamp, there wouldn't be a need to remove the whole breast. So kwathiwa-ke I need to remove the breast because basaba ukuthi ngenzeka ibuye. So i-mastectomy angisabanga nakhona because it was a way to save my life.
Yeah.
Either ngisusibele or ngirisk ukuthi ibuye. Yabo.
Yeah.
So going through i-cancer ne-chemo idinga ukuthi ube brave. So I had to make a brave decision ukuthi yazini ngiyalisusa, it's fine, ngizophila. And ngiqeda ukuyenza ngangifaka khona lo bra lo onebele eli-fake la. Ngangugqoka because I didn't want to creep people out, like abantu bengiphukutha uma unebele lelo. But uncomfortable, it's very uncomfortable because it's on the one side, so vele uzwe kubuhlungu la. I decided ukuthi ngiyeka mina lo bra ngizoyihambela nginje because ngizoyenza njani nebele lodwa, like abantu abanamabele awu normal for them, it's also normal for me to have one breast.
Yes,
so they must learn
norm.
to live with us esinebele lodwa ngathi ayingeke sengihamba ngawufaki nje, I don't care because it's my reality. Sengikwamkelile ukuthi nje nginebele lodwa.
Beautiful and powerful. Star, we can't shy away from the fact that a time like this comes with emotional challenges. Talk to me about some of the emotional challenges that you encountered and the support that you might have gotten from friends, from family. Being Jan.
Hey, mina ngiyacanga ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngiwumuntu strong.
Yeah.
But lokho kuba strong sometimes kuyabheda. Ngirealize sengiqedile ichemo yami ukuthi kwangafanele ngiact so strong, like I can do it. Kwafanele I should have allowed people to help me. Mina ngangavumi. I drive myself to chemo. Auto necessary ungadrive uzovelula lemgaqweni ngithi ngizohamba ngofika. Like ngizenza just strong. But later, after i-treatment yami sengihleli ngedwa, I feel sad. Ngiqala ngifeel sad ngithi uNkulu akaze afike kwi-chemo yami. Like sengiqala ukuba blame labantu. Kodwa ngangibanika indawo.
You were pushing them away in a way.
Yes, angibanika indawo ukuthi because bona babona umuntu right. Ngangithi ngi-right because even as soon as I was done with my treatments, ngizi strength esincane ngangisengenza inzipho. Because ngifuna ukuveza ukuthi mina strong, I can do this nani. Sometimes ukuba strong, strength comes from accepting ukuthi you need help.
Yeah.
Like you need to be loved, you need to be cared for. So when if kwenzeka you're going through this, ungasabi to ask for help, ungazenzi isosha njengami because later on kuzobuya ukuthi yazi ngale you did not have to go through this alone. Mina I went through it alone, ngapusha abantu away kanti kwaku wrong lokho. You must allow people to love you and to care for you and to be there for you.
So let's talk about now. You and your life has changed now. Now you're moving in and you are now getting used to this new norm. What kept you going? Like, what is the one thing that you're like, yeah, this is what's keeping me going? And ngaphandle kwalento, I don't know if I would have even become the survivor that I am. What was keeping you going day after day?
Okay, during that process, usa wa before i-diagnosis no sawa after sekumunye umuntu. So before ngibe ne-diagnosis, angangiphilela nje impilo, afford ama bills, like just a normal life, no vision, in pursuit of nothing. Ayikho into engangipursue empilweni. But when I got the diagnosis, ngaba nokuthi in my mind, okay, njengoba kwenzeka kanje, showcase khona into enkulu uNkulunkulu angibekele yona. So I need to look for leyo nto and like ngoba serious nempilo yami. Yeah, like I was like, okay, sengimdala ke manje njengoba kwenza kanjena, I need to be serious ngempilo yami. I need to have a vision for my life. That's when the visionary in me was born. Before then ngangusitha nje. So I started having a vision for my life. Ngaba nezinto engifisa ukuyi-accomplish by isikhathi esiwukuthi ngifisa ukuthi ngibe nokuthi, and that's what kept me going. If you have something to look forward to during your treatments ikona that keeps you going. Uma uyihlalela ungenzeli lutho ayingeke. I strongly suggest ukuthi ube na something to look forward to.
I hear you loud and clear. Now let's speak to someone like a Star who just received their diagnosis right now. What is the one thing that you know now that you wish the Star who got that diagnosis then knew? And what would you say to someone who's just gotten a diagnosis yabo?
Okay, itengayisho ukuthi i-cancer or i-diagnosis ekanje, it's just a chapter in your life. It's not the whole story.
Sure.
Like there's so much more after after you beat cancer. A lot of people bavele bone ngathi impilo iphelile. Mina see a lot of amanye ama patients enganginawo kwi-chemo suites kube ngazi impilo isiphelile. Kanti there's so much more that life has in store for you. It's just a chapter. It's not the whole story. And thina safundiswa mina ngisindisiwe ke sontweni basifundisa ukuthi
Hallelujah.
Pain like kuyo yonke pain oba nayo empilweni kune reward. So
Yes.
don't focus kakhulu kwi pain because you lose the reward. So ungabi nje ukuthi oh sengiyafa no. All njengoba think should have something to look forward to. uNkulunkulu ukubekele so much more. It's just a chapter izodlula le cancer le and then impilo it's gonna blossom way more than ngendlela obibona ngayo manje.
Oh, impilo is gonna blossom way more than you can see it now. Preach it, sir. In closing, as we are closing our beautiful conversation, you are seen as a survivor. I see you as a survivor. I see you as someone who's truly powerful, really inspiring. What does living well look like to you right now? And are you still going to have treatments here and there? How is your life now? How are you lately, basically, as the survivor that you are?
Okay, njengoba sengishilo ukuthi like a visionary was born through the whole process. Sengiwumuntu manje one vision ngempilo yakhe. I have so much more life. Umuntu angatsho ukuthi cancer izodrain life kanti izokufaka more. I have so much more life and I have so much more zeal for impilo kunezinto engifuna ukuyi-achieve. Medically uyaqhubeka uhambe for ama-test to check ukuthi ayibuyanga yini because odokotela they believe ukuthi ayihambi completely. But nje mina ngisa-right ngiclear ngi-right impilo isangiphathele okuningi kuningi nje engisazoku-achieve nje ngi-right.
And we can't wait to see konke lokho okuningi usazoku-achieve. Thank you very much for sharing your beautiful story. You're a beautiful lady. Keep going. Thank you very much. That was Usta, who has so bravely shared her story with us. We are truly inspired. We are educated. October is still Breast Cancer Awareness. Make sure you learn a thing or two, educate a person or two, and let's fight breast cancer together.
Gagasi FM.